I think firstly to thank our partners, AWASA, and of course yourself, the Global and German Water Partnership. As you have seen from our participant, this was a useful training. There's always an issue of remote areas in Africa, in South Africa, and where really the laboratories are too far. So having something portable like this is very good. They can take it to the fields, they'll do the testing, and then when they go back to the lab, they'll finalize whatever they need to do. So a very useful equipment, I think. And we hope that as we're doing the training amongst other Southern African stakeholders, they will like it. They will use it. But for us, it's really to say, let's afford an opportunity for the people that work on the ground where there's really no laboratories and equipment that they can use to be able to test the quality of the water.
Thank you very much.
So I'm Michael van der Laan from the Agricultural Research Council. I really enjoyed the workshop. I learned a great deal. There's a system that really uses the most robust science to get high quality answers, but it's just sort of this turnkey solution. Price is much less than we were speculating in the beginning. We're struggling with a lot of our labs, especially government labs, for procurement and that kind of thing, and also high transportation costs. Often the roads aren't good, so I think this type of kit has a big place in future.
My name is Joe Dlamini, and I work for the biggest water utility in South Africa. And we were invited here by WFC. The solution that was presented here gave us a lot of insights, especially when you look at issues of microbiological testing. One would have never thought that you would have a real-time data in terms of water quality monitoring coming from microbiology. And this solution has provided that. And I see it being a changer for the water industry, because you would have all the information that you need in a very short space of time. It can be used anywhere with no demand for any resources. So for me, it is a perfect solution.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Made in Germany and a trusted member of the German Water Partnership. Let's test. Enjoy off-grid water testing.